Let's see what is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is a core technology of the creating a web page or the content that should be seen by others on the web page. CSS is like a style and a decoration of the website, and JavaScript adds the logic in your website. To understand it properly, consider an empty blank room. Now HTML will define where your walls should be, where your light should be, where your bed should be, where your decorative item should be. Like frames. It's just like you are giving a particular space for something or a particular area for something. Just like that, HTML is a language used to define a particular space for something, to create a basic structure of the web page. CSS will decide what should be the paint of your walls, the decorative items on your walls, the furniture of your home that makes your house more appealing and awesome. CSS allows you to style your HTML element to make them visually appealing. JavaScript is something that builds logic on a website. Imagine if the lights are turned on when you clap twice, or wants to play music when someone enters the room. JavaScript makes it possible by adding the interactive elements on your web page. So to summarize, HTML sets up the structure, CSS makes it look attractive, and JavaScript builds the logic on your website. It will take you around 1 to 1.5 months to learn it properly if you're learning it along your academics or a job. It's easy to learn, and every developer should know this technology to thrive in this digital world.